guys, today we got the Traxxas Rustler brushed, and if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and leave a like. Alright, let's get to it. What is this? Oh yeah. Alright. That was annoying. That way the paper doesn't go anywhere. Alrighty. Let's see. Okay, so it's a good thing I did bring scissors out here, because as you can see right there, it is taped. Hopefully this isn't upside down. This is a pain in the butt. There we go. First things first. Got the styrofoam, of course. Oh yeah! Of course, the instructions and all the extra parts. Woo! This thing is sick. Why am I having so much trouble getting this out? Just let it fall. Alright. Right? I hate... Oops. Okay, that's a shame. Put that down there. This is nice. Alright, so of course you got the tag like usual. Here's the, I'm pretty sure this is the ESC. My bad, this is the speed control. This is receiver. This is the receiver. And here's the motor. It's a Titan 12 T550. Same with the Traxxas Slash if you haven't seen our previous unboxing videos. Oops. We got the pins for, I actually don't know what that's for, but I think it's to hold the battery in. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that. I think that phone's supposed to be there. Alright guys, so that's it for this unboxing video. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, leave a like, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.